If you're looking to take your cooking to the next level, the Ronco 4000 series rotisserie is the game changer you've been waiting for. This sleek and efficient rotisserie is designed to lock in flavor, making your meals tender, juicy, and bursting with taste. With its unique features and versatility, it's no wonder that home cooks and food enthusiasts are raving about the Ronco 4000 series rotisserie. Here are the key features of the Ronco 4000 series rotisserie. Flavorful horizontal self-basting rotation. Say goodbye to dry and lackluster meals. The Ronco 4000 series rotisserie boasts a horizontal, self-basting rotation system that ensures every bite is infused with mouth-watering flavor. As the rotisserie spins, it locks in the natural juices, resulting in succulent meats and delectable dishes that will leave your family and guests craving for more. Ample capacity, cooked to perfection. With the Ronco Rotisserie, you can easily prepare large batches of mouth-watering delights. Cook up to 2 whole chickens simultaneously or roast a generous 15-pound turkey for those special occasions. This rotisserie is perfect for family gatherings, holiday feasts, or hosting a backyard barbecue with friends. Multipurpose basket for endless culinary adventures. Expand your culinary horizons with the included multipurpose basket. This versatile accessory allows you to rotisserie a wide variety of foods, from succulent chicken wings and savory sausages to juicy pork chops and flavorful roasted vegetables. There's no limit to the delicious creations you can whip up with this rotisserie. Effortless cleaning and energy efficiency. Cleaning up after a scrumptious meal has never been easier. The Ronco 4000 series rotisserie features a removable drip tray and heat shield that are dishwasher safe, ensuring a hassle-free cleanup process. Plus, with its energy-efficient design, this rotisserie cooks with a third less electricity than a conventional oven, saving you both time and money. Simple and efficient cooking with a 3-hour timer. Cooking has never been this convenient. The Ronco Rotisserie comes equipped with a user-friendly 3-hour automatic timer, so you can load your chicken, turkey, or other foods onto the non-stick assembly and let the oven do the rest. Once the timer is up, your perfectly cooked meal is ready to be served. What's included? Everything you need. The Ronco 4000 series rotisserie comes complete with all the essential accessories to elevate your cooking experience. Along with the rotisserie spit and non-stick drip pan, you'll find a multi-purpose basket, carving platform, oven gloves, and an instruction and recipe booklet. Prepare to impress your loved ones with a wide array of mouth-watering dishes. Discover the Ronco 4000 series rotisserie. Unleash your culinary creativity. In conclusion, the Ronco 4000 series rotisserie is a game-changer for anyone looking to infuse their meals with incredible flavor and efficiency. With its self-basting rotation, ample capacity, and versatile cooking options, this rotisserie is a must-have addition to your kitchen. Embrace the joy of cooking with the Ronco 4000 series rotisserie and elevate your culinary creations to new heights.